Hi guys! For today's video, may bago na naman tayong tutorial about sa math. Okay, topic natin for today is all about finding the missing term in a proportion. Okay, this is our new tutorial for this video. Okay, I have an example here. N over 8 is equals to 9 over 24. So the missing term here is the letter N. Okay, so in order to have the missing term in a proportion, we need to use the cross multiplication. We will multiply the n to 24. Then n times 24. And another, the 8 is multiplied to 9. 8 times 9. Now we will multiply these two. We cannot multiply this because the other number is missing. So we will just write 24 n is equals to, we will multiply the 8 times 9. The answer is 72. In here, we will use the cancellation method and the division. Okay, 24, 24. Cancel these two because they are the same number. And then, copy the n. Let n be the missing number. And then 72 divided by 24 is 3. So the 3 is the missing term in this proportion. So the answer is 3 over 8 is equals to 9 over 24. So we found out the missing number or missing term in a proportion, which is the number 3. Okay?